Speaking of another type of ad that we're going to hear in the fall, assuming that Donald Trump is the Republican nominee, it's not just going to be using Donald Trump as a bludgeon against Senate candidates. Here is an ad by LBJ. Well, I don't think he did it, but in support of LBJ in 1964. And in this instance, he was talking about Barry Goldwater.
We represent the majority of the people in Alabama who hate niggerism, Catholicism, Judaism, and all the isms of the whole world. So said Robert Creel of the Alabama Ku Klux Klan. He also said, I like Barry Goldwater. He needs our help. Vote for President Johnson on November 3rd.
Yes, and this is just a reminder on the heels of Donald Trump sort of playing footsie with David Duke. What's amazing, too, about that ad is when you hear the first quote, right, about the isms, it's not, you hear that isms. You don't hear Judaism or Catholicism or niggerism, I think is what they called it, by Republican candidates today. But you do hear them sort of, even the intellectual conservatives, all these isms, right? I mean, this is the coded language. It's evolved slightly over the years. But we have Donald Trump, who now apparently is, said his earpiece was a problem in terms of the KKK. But he got exactly what he wanted, okay? Because even David Duke has come out today and said, I understand why he had to disavow me. He's got to do whatever he can to win the election. I mean, this is the game they play. Understand this. This is the game they play. I say one thing, I back off it. I get my white man aggrievement, conservative aggrievement that the media has attacked me for telling it like it is. But my followers understand that I live in that world where there's the drive-by lamestream media. So they forgive me for backing off it. Not only do they forgive me for backing off it and know that my heart is really with them, they also see how I'm attacked, so I'm just like them. So that's why when people, like where people say, well, he disavowed it on Friday. Why would he say it on Sunday if he actually, that's why. When people say dog whistle politics, they don't mean that the candidate actually has a dog whistle, like a literal dog whistle. What they mean is they are sending signals that they know will be received by constituencies that they don't want other people to see. So when Donald Trump says, I said that, but it was my earpiece caused me to say it, and I certainly didn't mean that in any way, he's already sent the message.